Silkytreat Channel. Easy delicious cooking. On the menu today, one recipe prepared in 1.5 hours start to finish. Sauce Bolognaise. Ingredients: 350 grams of lean ground pork, 9 cloves of garlic, extra virgin olive oil, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, rosemary, red chili pepper powder, bay leaves, tomatoes 1 kilogram. Preparation: in a large pot, bring water to a boil, insert all the tomatoes for 2 minutes, transfer them to ice water and peel the skin the easy way. Insert the peeled tomatoes in a blender, adding salt, pepper, and blend. Peel the garlic cloves, mince them, add them to a pan with extra virgin oil, cook for 4 minutes, then add the ground meat, salt, pepper, oregano, thyme, rosemary, red chili pepper powder, cook the ground pork well. Then add blended tomatoes, a little water and bay leaves. Bring to a boil, then low heat for an hour. All ready to serve, but even better if kept overnight in the refrigerator to allow the entire spice aroma to flourish. You can use this Bolognaise with any pasta or other receipt I will soon reveal to all of you in new videos. Enjoy these meals. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, share, like and comment if you wish.